day to be out riding. The last time I came out here it was like 110 degrees, so you were like dying. We're out here at Buttonwillow Raceway, and yesterday we had a really good time out on the kart track, which was really fun. It's always a good way to kind of practice and get into the groove, and today's been first day out with Let's Ride Track Days out on the actual track, so it should be fun. So far what I've noticed, at least out here on the track with this R7, is it has more than enough power for me by a long shot. This is a smaller track. There's no crazy long straightaways. I felt that third, fourth gear is about all I need to get rocking through here and have fun with it. But I think the hard part is in C group, if you want to pass people, it's a freaking pain in the ass because you have to do it on the outside. Not to say that I'm really good enough to be in the faster groups, but it is somewhat annoying. But let's face it, we're out on a track and this is really cool, really fun. But the first thing we did was a little rider course, which was really cool. Tons of fun. And just getting, like, what was cool about the rider course was just getting all the lines and figuring out what to do. Hopefully it's not too windy for you guys. I did just get and set up this X14 helmet that I've been using mainly for track and stuff. See if we can get that knee down. Oh yeah, there it is. Gotta get by these guys. Late braking, dip in. Yeah, get that knee down, kick some gears. Still don't have a lot of confidence to pass, that's what scares me still. But it's a lot of fun. There we go, now we can maybe have some fun, got some open track. Woo, it's windy as hell. Yeah, much different than the 400 for sure. That was heavy braking. Gonna be heavy knee dragging. Yep. A little front tire squealy. Oh, I gotta get this dude. Stay down for me, baby.